Hello again. Did you see in our last video how important it is to practice physical distancing? I hope you have been practicing it. Also, another way to make sure that everyone is safe is to cover our coughs and sneezes. Did you know that? But are you sure how this works? Let's practice together. If you are near a tissue, you will grab the tissue and place it in front of your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Right after that, make sure to throw the tissue in the trash. If you don't have a tissue nearby, then you can cough or sneeze into your elbow. If you do this, you should immediately wash your hands for 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer, okay? If you don't remember how to wash your hands or to use hand sanitizer, you can always watch our last videos. Great job practicing covering your coughs and sneezes. Please remember to practice this as much as possible to make sure everyone is safe, okay? We have been learning so much, right? We're almost to the end of our video series. In our last video, we will learn about getting our temperature checked so we know when we are sick. I can't wait to see you then. Bye!